to every one of us. Please, this little tutorial is just to enlighten and put us through on how to use Spark Editor that we are looking at the icon just now. So this is the icon of this Spark Editor beside Sound Recorder and between Sound Recorder and Sticker Maker. So this Spark Editor is a phone app, very good for editing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for website development. And now we are going to take a thought through on how to use it easily. Now what you just have to do is just to click on the icon of the Spark Editor and open the application. So the application is loading. After the opening of the application, you are going to see a stuff like this. If you are not seeing something like this, it is going to link you to this place directly for people that just download the app. So if you are opening for the first time, it is going to bring it like this. Then they've already linked this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all together with each other. What you just have to do is just click on this play icon that is at the top right corner of your phone. After clicking on it, then this is the can you see this is the game that was created with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I just want to get a point before moving away from it. Yep, I've gotten a point. So that's that on that. And if you want to exit what you code, you just have to click on exit. Now I'm going to create a new file for we to test out what I just did just now. Then what I just have to do is click on this icon that is at the top left corner of your phone. Then I want to create a new file. We are going to see that this one is our files, where it is going to list all the files, all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files you have in the app. Then this one, if you want to search for files, why this one is if you want to get the location of each files. And this one, the next icon that is having this plus and this file icon on it, it is just like if you want to create a new file, whether you want to create a new HTML file or CSS file or JavaScript file. Why this one, it is when you want to create a new folder you want to put your work to. Why the last one, this one, it is just to reload. Yeah, just for you to refresh the files like on what you've done. And why this last one, and we've already see all the menus that is under the icons, the last three dots. Now the first thing we are going to do is we want to create our own first project. Then I'll prefer creating a folder first, which is here. I guess we can see this folder. So if you click on new folder, so I'll just name it. No, I'm not creating it like this. So if you want to, I've already created a folder now, but this is not what I want to create. So I'm going to delete the folder. Yeah, so I want to create a folder. I'm going to name it Fuskidon folder, or I should just say that Fuskidon project, and I'll click on OK. After clicking on OK, you've already see this arrow. Can you see that the arrow have already pointed down? Then I'll just click on the three dots beside that Fuskidon project. Where do I want to create? I'm not creating a new file again, and I'm not importing. I'm not cutting anything, and I'm not copying the parts. I'm not exporting it to anywhere, and I don't want to delete it. I want to create a new file. So I'll just click on create new file. What's the name of the file? I want to create a new HTML file. And don't forget, if you want to create a new HTML file, it must end with the extension of .html. Then I'm not going to say that, okay, Fuskidon project abi, so this will now be fuskidon.html. Then I'll click on OK. After clicking on OK, then you've already see that it is already highlighted. Then you've already have it. Can you see that we have fuskidon.html here? So inside this body, I can just say that okay, inside our body, let me create a new tag of h1. I want to create another one. No, I want to create another one of h1. So this one I'll just say that Fuskidon first project. Can we all see that now? So if I click on this play icon at the top right corner of my phone, then I'll just click on it. Then can you see that now? Fuskidon first project. I'll click on this icon and click on exit. So after that, I would love to have my title. I can just say that Fuskidon website. Then I've already have. So now the next thing is that if I create my CSS file, how am I going to do it? And I want it inside the same folder that we are having our fuskidon.html. Then what you just have to do is just click on this three dots icon, click on create new file, then it will be what? Fuskidon.css. Can we all see that? Then I'll click on OK. So now I will have to link my HTML to my CSS, my CSS to my HTML. Then the next thing I'm going to do is our link rel is equals to style sheet. Then href is equals to, so it will be what? The name of the CSS file we've created, fuskidon.css. Sorry there. So can we all see that now? So if I come to this my fuskidon.css, don't forget that we're having our h1 tag here, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm not here to teach every one of us HTML and CSS. I'm just here to just show you people how to link both of them together. So I'm just going to be like this. Okay, for our h1, our color should be equals to green yellow. Then I just have to play it. No, I did a mistake by playing the CSS. I'll come to this HTML and I'm going to play it. Can we see that it has already changed color? So that's just how to use Spark Editor easily and smoothly. So now we already have this folder which is having Fuskidon project. So if you have another folder to create, you just have to come to this starter project, click on this place, click on create new folder. I can just say that second project. Okay, can we see that we're having our second project under our Fuskidon project? So if you want to create a new file, you just have to click on it and go through the process again. Thanks to everyone that watched this tutorial, and I'm very, very, very grateful for it. Thanks so much.